When skinny people don't want to be your skinny, girl, let's get into this video. People who know you or that is closest to you will always have the most to say about you. So quick little story. I had somebody that I know that is skinny said that they don't want to be my skinny. Little did they know that they were only 3 pounds heavier than me. Now, they revealed their weight to me. And when they did, I just started laughing because I'm like, how can you judge me based off on my appearance and comparing me to you when we're just 3 pounds apart from each other? I could have done a rebuttal, but it's like, I'm at this point, asking someone's weight is rude, but it's even more rude to say you don't want to be somebody's weight, regardless if they are skinny, mid-size, or at a heavier weight, because that's just rude. But again, people who know you just speak things out and they don't even realize like what they're saying can be offensive. But as soon as you say something, then they're getting offended. So either way, it doesn't even matter anymore. But I just thought I'd just share that with you because it was just very funny, where I don't really need to defend myself to anybody. If you feel like I am too skinny, then that's your problem. That is not mine. You know, I only have one person to answer to on this earth, and that is my husband. Now, does my husband feel like I'm skinny? Yeah, he does. I love it when he just picks me up or, you know, pushes me out the way and then I go flying across the room or something like that. I remember when I was overweight, and when I would say to my husband, like, pick me up, and I'll be like, wee, pick me up. I ain't never made it off the floor. And he's like, no, I ain't fixing to break my back. But then he'll pick me up and then he'd be like, oh my God, my back hurt, playing around. And now that I'm small, he literally picks me up and just moves me out the way, places me to the side if I'm in his way. Like, for instance, like if I'm getting something out the refrigerator and I don't move, like he'll just pick me up and just put me on the side. It's no more of a scooping up like he used to do it. I think he liked me better when I was around 150 pounds, but he knows that I'm happy where I'm at, and it is where it is, and it's not going to change. Now, I know that I don't need to lose any more weight. I'm having fun with it. Am I having fun spending more money to buy more clothes? No, I'm not. Girl, I still got grandma drawers. Yeah, I still have more things to buy to accommodate my weight loss. This is about as far as I'm going to go. So my weight does fluctuate between 139 and 142, and I'm okay with that. So like I said, you know, I feel good about my body. One point that I did was, you know, I was looking like extremely too skinny, which I can understand, and that was because I was on the 10 milligrams. But now that I'm eating a little bit more and I'm putting more nutrition into my body, and I don't look like I'm malnutrition, so I can kind of understand that. But I just wanted to let you know, your girl took her shot like 2 days early. All right, so I take my shot every other week, so every 14 days. I am in maintenance on 7.5 milligrams on zepbound. So that means Monday, which today is Wednesday, 2 days ago, I was supposed to take my injection, but I took it Saturday. I took it Saturday because I was feeling a little naughty, you know, wanting some Oreos, okay? I wouldn't say my appetite was coming back during that off week, but I did feel a little snackerish, and I feel like maybe it was contributing to, you know, my menstrual cycle getting ready to come on. So even though zepbound does suppress my appetite good enough to the point where I don't have, you know, those that food noise of me wanting to eat a lot of sweets, but this particular day I was like craving sweets a little bit too much, and I ran out of my low carb ice cream, which is the chocolate flavor, and I didn't have any more. And I was looking at those Oreos and it was looking kind of good. So I said, before I even eat the Oreos, I think it's okay for me to go ahead and take my injection 2 days early. So that's exactly what happened. I took it early, and that food noise of me wanting the chocolate was gone. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so I'm here in Walmart, and I was thinking about getting the ready-made Premier Protein, and then I saw that the 4-pack was $9 and some change, and then a whole 12-pack is $26. Girl, I even checked on Amazon, it was $29. So I started to look at the Pure Protein, and I'm like, $7.48. I remember when Premier used to be that much. Like, what is going on here? I understand that the prices are going up, but dang, Premier, you didn't have to do me like that. All right, so then I started to notice the Atkins. I'm like, okay, Atkins, $7.48, $7.98, whatever that is. But then the coffee caught my eye, baby. And I was like, okay, 12-pack is $19, whatever that is. And I was like, the cafe caramel. Now, for those who don't know, that the Premier Cafe Latte was the best. That was the one that I liked, and I decided to go with the cafe. Then I decided, you know what, let me go ahead and get some pizza, and that's exactly what I did. All right, so here I am jogging my first mile, and yes, I sure did. I started jogging after I ate the pizza, about maybe an hour or two. But yeah, I enjoyed it because it was really fun and exciting, and I just want to, you know, just get out the way and try not to fall and record. Okay, so here I'm having Kodiak waffles. All right, guys, it is, all right, Sunday. I finally got my room together. Okay, so I just switched out some things here, you know, just to do a little quick little pan through, put everything over there and whatnot. Okay, I'm gonna just talk to you right here. My sinuses are bothering me right now. I don't know if it's this candle. I love this candle to death. I got it from, well, my daughter got it for me, Bath and Body Works, for my birthday. But my sinuses are acting up. I was using bleach, and then right outside my husband is barbecuing, so the smoke is bothering me. So I just took medicine. Girl, we in here having church. I was having church in the room, he's having church in the front room. But yeah, so I hope everybody enjoy their Sunday. Oh, yesterday, Saturday, your girl reached 2K. I reached it around 9 o'clock last night, but I didn't want to, you know, put it out there because you know how sometimes when you get more subscribers, sometimes it'll like disappear and whatnot. So I was like, no, I'm gonna wait until I get a few more past 2K, then I'll go ahead and say something. But yeah, yay us, woohoo! But the thing is, I don't know what to call you. Like, a lot of people call their subscribers like a name, but I don't have a name. I've tried to give names long time ago and it just never stuck. So, you know, every time I always start my vlogs, I always say, hey, gorgeous. So I don't know if it should be like the gorgeous something. I don't know. Drop it down in the comment section below and let me know what you would like to be called. I'm open to suggestions. But let me get out my high-pitched voice and go sit down somewhere because my eyes, and it's kind of hard to breathe right now. All right, toodles. I'm having barbecue for dinner Sunday, and then I got back on the treadmill. Yes, I am running. I did wanted to say that the difference between your body now, well, for me, my body now at the age of 44 compared to when I was in high school, my senior year, I could not understand why I was, you know, having saggy skin, because I honestly thought my skin was going to just go back to normal, regular. But I didn't understand that, you know, like when you're younger and you lose weight, because I did gain weight my 10th, 11th grade year. 12th grade, my PE teacher said, you know what? All of y'all are overweight, so every other day we're going to run around the gym for 10 minutes. And I had no loose skin. So comparing back then to now, I understand that, you know, when your body gets older, the skin elasticity is different. And on top of it, I had 3 kids, okay? So that's something that I had to do, was give myself grace. Your girl made her 1 mile. I was so tired, ready to stop and get it over with. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you, that that's what our body goes through. All right, girl. The mile is done. Whew. So happy. It's over. I did it in 15 minutes. I'm tired. And then I'm going to add this breakfast kind bar as just a little snack in between, because I'm not sure if I'm going to eat early or eat around 10 o'clock like I usually do, because I didn't have my protein coffee this morning. So I might end up having this around 9 o'clock and then have this at 12. And then when I come home around 3:30-ish, then I'll go ahead and eat my full meal. Check you out next week. Bye, gorgeous.